Aloha. Today we are unboxing the Pixel tablet. Google Store had a pretty good deal, so I decided to grab one since it had double the memory of the base model of an iPad. So let's see what's going on here. A little spin ski. Pull tab, bam. Another pull tab. Bam. Oh, pull tab broke. Oh, there we go. Slide it out. Boom. Let's see what we got here. Looks like the tablet. Some instructions. There is your speaker, charge dock, power cord. Then we got the main vent. Nope, that doesn't do anything. Oh yeah. Pretty slick. Okay. Like, subscribe, comment, whatever you want.